Well, alleluia. Look who has risen from the seeming dead after the extended well below freezing temperatures, ice and snow. Yes, hardy kale. It's always amazing. These plants endure so much. This was not undercover during the storm. Yet another example of nature's resilience, brought to you by yours truly, Heather Michet. Just astounds me, amazes me. Hashtag nature amazes me. This kale, I think, is done, however, as is this one. But, as I've learned, don't pull them out. Let them be. You never know what you might see.